In this guide, we're going over the very best deck for you to use here in Arena 22 in Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But Arena 22, if you're trying to dominate it, what you're going to want to use is this deck right here. This is the Double Elixir Loon Freeze deck, and it's dominating for a good reason. The strategy actually thrives in the late game elixir. Essentially, you're going to want to play defense until you get to double elixir, and once you do, drop your balloon with lumberjack for that rage boost, or stack it behind a bowler push to create unstoppable pressure. Once your opponent does drop a defensive building, freeze it, because that one spell can flip an entire match. Defensively, though, this deck is unmatched. Inferno Dragon burns tanks, Electro Dragon stuns everything in its path, and Tornado is going to let you pull enemy troops exactly where you want them. The bowler also crushes bridge spam, while Barbarian Barrel cleans up swarms and cycles smoothly. The synergy here is obviously very strong, the defense is godly, the versatility makes it super useful in nearly every single matchup, but the only drawback is the fact that the free-to-play score is pretty bad just because this deck is stacked with legendaries. But if you are in Arena 22, you probably have all of them anyways. Use this deck. It's insane. If you have any questions, ask us down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.